based on quality and value for the money. This product is one of the best rated product in the market right now. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Set your creativity free with a lightweight portable machine? The Brother GX37 gives you plenty of options. Get creative with 37 different stitches, including a wide range of decorative stitches to make your creations more detailed. Adjust your stitches. Use the 6 sewing feet to create clothes, costumes, accessories, crafts, home decor, and so much more. Zigzag foot for everyday sewing. Add a buttonhole, buttons, or a zipper to your project. Create neat blind hems and narrow hems. Sew cuffs and sleeves with the free arm. Setting up is a breeze. With everything you need. All so fun, all so easy, all so creative. In one lightweight, easy-to-use sewing machine from Brother.
Why we love this product. And these are rating for this product.